बाज़ आप जब टेलीविज़न पे आते हैं या तो आप सोशल मीडिया पे जो आपकी अपीयरेंस होती है, तो बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ को भी क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि पर्सनालिटी से ज़्यादा they think that your fashion choices get viral.
As they should, I guess.
Exactly,
why not?
right? So this is how, when it comes to this civil services part, so and then people relate to the Hollywood thingy. If we not mention Hollywood, but अगर हम बाहर ममालिक के किसी भी जगह की बात करें, and then Hazim goes there, he records his songs and albums and everything, and then he comes back. तो मुझे लगता है इसलिए भी बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ को relate नहीं कर पाते कि यार.
I understand.
Which is why I had this question to clarify it, you know.
I agree. Absolutely, completely agree. I think your lifestyle है. It is a very hectic, very different because मैं in a way दो careers को juggle कर रहा हूँ.
Exactly.
So I understand the question, and it's a lot of people cannot relate.
Okay.
I don't think government को relate कर सकता है because यहाँ मैं सुबह ऑफिस में होता हूँ, फिर शाम को मैं कोई फोटो शूट कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, या मैं fly off कर रहा हूँ premiere में. But if there's a question about it, अभी जो next नया गाना निकला है, I'll do it. It's with Pitbull.
Oh.
And Pitbull is on this track.
This is okay.
Yeah. So if there were
fine.
questions, I think they answer, and I'm still holding office.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know what else. How can I balance
just
it?
by the way, I can sing in English as well, so I can really sing English
on the upcoming album.
Yeah, please.
We'll have definitely.
So, other than that, you've told me that you are a fine artist as well.
Yes.
तो उस कहानी की तरफ भी जा रहे हैं थोड़ा सा कि are you still a fine artist? I mean, do you practice or you've left it completely?
No, completely left. ये beginning of it was self discovery वाला time था.
सही है.
Doing self discovery, मैंने काफी चीजों में tap in किया था. एक side मेरी बड़ी academic है.
सही है.
That's why I did my LLB. I was really interested in law. At the same time, मैं arts में बहुत interested था.
So why did you never go for LLB or you went for LLB?
I did. I finished it, and then I came to the job. तो ये दोनों मुझे expand करने थे.
Sorry if I forgot to mention, he's a lawyer as well. Introduction में.
Not practicing lawyer.
Yeah, not practicing lawyer, but this is why you have such a groomed personality. I personally assume because you've been in different.
Yes.
This is
I've played with different things. उनको full-fledged अपना degree की, यहाँ की full understanding and knowledge, यहाँ की because दोनों में मैं interested था. Academics में था. As an artist, I'm also really interested in creativity.
Okay.
तो मैं दोनों में properly endorsed to mingle करता हूँ. So yeah, at one side पे as an artist with artistic take, and यहाँ as an administrator या policy maker.
Okay.
My mind works in those two dimensions. Yeah.
So like, you've always been multitasking, like you know, and multi-personality. कि ये भी वो भी साथ साथ.
By all means.
This is impressive, to be very honest.
Thank you.
Okay. My next question is that since your father is a retired DIG, मेरा सवाल ये है कि क्या कभी उन्होंने पुश किया आपको कि नहीं यार अगर मैं इस फील्ड में हूँ तो you have to join the same field or whatever you're doing, आप जो कर रहे हैं वो सही नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप गलत कर रहे हैं, you should be like you know following the family bloodline. जैसे you mentioned your younger brother is a DSP now, which was maybe वो भी it wasn't pre-planned as well or it was pre-planned.
His was pre-planned.
Okay, but yours wasn't.
No, mine wasn't. No.
So did he or anybody else from your family ever push you? कि Hazim, why music? Hazim, why fine artist? Or Hazim, why LLB?
They pushed me दूसरी बात पे. Why government? भाई क्यों assistant? They pushed me the opposite thing. Because मैं तो set था ना. I was traveling. I was doing what I do here. Over there, and I'm set. तो उन्होंने कहा एक और क्यों यहाँ ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why? What's the point of it? This they were not in favor of.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a new thing, by the way.
Yeah, they're not in favor of this.
Because usually होता ही है ना कि जो लोग जिस profession से होते हैं, they literally push their children कि यार आप please आप इसी side पे आ जाएं. Because in Pakistan, I'm sorry to say, but it hardly happens कि कोई आपको motivate करे कि अच्छा आपको ये ना चले ठीक है आप करें, we are going to support you.
No.
But in your case, if this happened, you're lucky enough.
Yeah, they're like no.
You're literally lucky enough.
Yeah, he support me.